Hey everybody, today is November 11th, 2010. I just came back from Walmart and this is going to be an unboxing video. This is, let me show you. This is my first high definition video camera. It is the HP V5061u digital camcorder. It was on sale, I think, for $169 Canadian, of course. It has a 5 megapixel still image camera, 4x digital zoom, 3-inch touchscreen LCD panel. That's the French stuff. Dual SD card slot, 3-inch wide touchscreen, of course. Motion detection, 5 megapixel again. Dual power source. It takes 2 AA batteries or its own battery at the same time, so you don't really run out of batteries. So this is what the box really looks like. Requirements. You guys cannot see it properly. I'm guessing it says Microsoft Windows. I'm hoping it works with my Mac. I just checked online saying that it does work with Mac. I hope that it does. Now let's try to unbox this baby. This is gonna be the hardest part again. I hate getting these Alright, so this is the box. There is the software and the manual package. ArcSoft, I'm not sure what the software contains. Let's put that aside for now. Let's open this baby up. They have it so tight in there that I can barely get things out. There is the carrying pouch. It has some stuff in it, I can tell. I'm doing with one hand, so excuse the bad quality. So this is where I wish I had a brother or a sister to help me out. There's the cables. That's, I believe, the I don't know which cable that is, but that's one of the cables. The AV cable. This is the charger unit. This looks like a USB cable. This tiny thing, I'm guessing that's the battery. Holy cow, that's so thin. Right there, that's the battery. Nothing more on that side, and oh god, that scared me. I thought there's no thing. I thought there's no camera. I think it's in the pouch, because the pouch is kind of heavy. Let me try to open it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop the recording and open the pouch. Alright, so I opened the pouch, and oh my god, that thing is so tiny. There is the camera. If I can get it out with one hand again. Nope. It's really impossible to do this unboxing video. There you go. There is the camera itself. Holy cow, it's so tiny. I do a lot of things with one hand, but they're easier to do. Holy cow. Here's the camera. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah. For a few seconds. Alright, well, this is a test recording of my room with my new HD video camera. It is the HP. God, I can't remember the name. Some some letter number video camera. It's the HP. Oh, right here. V5061u video camera. And this is not in 1080. I'm recording in regular HD. This is with my regular room lighting, so we'll see what the quality will be like. And hey, there I am sitting there in my boxers. Nice. And there's all the box and stuff from the unboxing video. And that's the light source right there. So if the quality is not too good, that light right there is the thing to blame. Alright, well, thanks for watching this one. I'll see you in the next video. My Twitter, twyitter.com/dgtronic. My blog address, www.dgtronic.blogspot.com. My YouTube channel, youtube.com/dgtronic. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to rate, comment my videos, all that stuff. And that's about it. Bye.